Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is about a deal that the Gold Medal Wine Club has called Last Call Wines. So it's a wine opportunity. I'm at my site, which is weirdly enough, I registered it a long time ago. It's 123-wine.com. So there's another one called 123-wine.com. I don't think my one even shows up. Anyhow, the link is in the video description. It'll take you to my site at 123-wine.com. I'm going to go inside here. There's the opening kind of header. We'll scroll down here, Last Call Wines. There's a bit of a blurb at the top about this Gold Medal Wine Club. You can get 15% off with a code that's there. And then here we go down to the Last Call Wines. And I think if I did this right, I should be able to click on that one and get you to the page with the Last Call Wines. You can see here at the top, 40% off Jocelyn Vineyards 96-point rated cab. I've got another blog post. The second blog post down right now is about that. And then here, look at these. You can get a discount. There's a pop-up that offers you, I think, 10% off. I can see a little thing in the corner here. And then look at this, Gardner 2017 Goat Trek Vineyard. These are like the last case, the last few bottles, that kind of thing. And so this is not just a wine club. This is basically the wine store. And here there's, I think, 140 different products that are on this last call kind of basis. So you can see here, 2017 Goat Trek Vineyard Cab Sauv, $20. Full Moon Midnight Cellars, $25. 2021 Petit Syrah, $25. I'm just going to scroll down through a little bit of this. Wow, Dandelion Vineyards. Could there be a less appetizing name? Lionheart of the Barossa Shiraz. So that'll be an Australian one. And so same kind of thing here. Armstrong Family Cab Sauv from the Walla Walla Valley. That one's $60. You can see here Redwood Ridge Pinot Noir from Sonoma, California. So some of these are like $60, $65. And I'm looking here at one that's $16.99 for the Chardonnay. So I'll let you scroll through. The link is in the video description. I'm Andrew Larder from 123-wines. What the heck did I call the... I think that's what it's called. Sorry, I'm much too familiar with doing the videos with my other sites. The link is in the video description. Click the link. You'll be at this page. You click the product link that has the Last Call Wines, and you'll be able to get right to this page and check it out and go see some great deals on some wines. And there's some more wine kind of things about wine clubs and wine deals and wine discounts at my site there. So go check it out. Links in the video description. I'm Andrew Larder, 123-wine.com. Enjoy.